Hey, it's your main man, Greg Luther, and today we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is why you should not hire an assistant. If you're a real estate agent and you're seeing any type of success at all, there's a really good chance that the first thing you're thinking is, I've got too much to do and I need to hire some help. Well, the fact is, you don't need to do that. You don't need to hire any help because you're missing three things. And I want to show you really the three reasons that you need to make sure you are not hiring an assistant right now. Number one is you don't have any systems in place. Here's what I mean by that. Let's say that I own a factory and I just bought the factory today. So it's an empty, hollow shell. And I start thinking, man, I need to hire a bunch of people to work in here. No, you do not. Your machines have not shown up yet. Even if all those employees show up, you don't have machines for them to do the work. So if you don't have systems in place, if you don't have marketing assets in place, then you need to make sure that you get them in place before you hire any help. It's crucial that you do that. So the number one problem for most agents, they don't have systems in place. Hiring people to show up is not going to help if you don't have enough business for them to handle. And while you might think, oh, well, they've got their sphere of influence and they're going to pick up some business. You know why they're joining your team? Because they're already starving using that approach. So it's a bad idea to try and hire an assistant or a buyer's agent or even a listing agent, any licensed assistant, if you don't have those systems in place. Number two reason, let's say that my family is moving to your town. I need a house, my brother's going to buy a house, and my mom's going to buy a house there. Could you work with all three of us this week? You personally, exactly the way you have things right now, would it be possible for you to handle all three of us in looking for a house? My guess would be the answer is yes, which means you can handle more appointments. Does that make sense? You can handle more appointments. So you're not hiring somebody because you can't handle the appointments and you've got too many and you have to literally tell somebody, I'm sorry, I can't work with you. Please call another realtor. You don't have that happening. So because you can do more. Okay? So again, and I apologize for my writing, but I'm sure you understand what I'm saying here. You can do more. If we had 3 clients this calendar week, that's 3 more closings you'd have in contract. This calendar week, you could actually handle it. So I don't want to hear some stuff about you're so busy doing all the non-productive stuff that you don't have enough money and you're letting money slip through the cracks and referring them to someone else. That's not the case. So that's reason number 2, you don't really want to hire an assistant yet. A lot of times on the system side, even an agent that's becoming successful, they don't have predictable marketing assets where they know this system brings me 1 or 2 closings every month. This system brings me 2 or 3 closings every month. This one here brings me 1 or 2 closings every month. We teach a lot of this at getfastclosings.com. So if you go to getfastclosings.com, when you go there, there's about a 40-minute presentation that's going to show you some systems you can utilize, totally free marketing that you can utilize to predictably bring in business. Then maybe you need some help in order to get those things going, but I show you totally free marketing that you can utilize to generate some revenue for yourself. So reason number 1 is you don't have any systems in place. Number 2 is you can actually do more, but you're finding that you're distracted with all the crap that's going on. Like, here's what a lot of agents do that keeps them busy. They check their email every day, and they got to clean out all of their email. Check, delete. And then open this one, and then see a webinar, and then see the next thing, and then check out this infographic, and download this new system, and listen to this testimonial of all this other shit that you should buy. And then when you get all that done, you know what you do after that? You're done with your email, so you hit refresh to get another distraction. Oh, I got one email. That's junk. Refresh. Refresh again. What? Refresh again. No email. Refresh. Looking for distractions. You can do more. Stop looking for those distractions. And number 3 is the big one. Don't give away half of your money. Think about this for a minute. You're saying you need an assistant because you want to be able to do more business and they can handle more for you. If myself, my brother, and my mom are all buying 3 houses there in your marketplace this week, and I'm flying to your city, and all 3 of us want to look at our own type of houses that our individual families want, if you give that to another licensed agent, you are getting, best case scenario, half of the money. Why not get all of the money? If you're hiring any type of assistant, it would be an unlicensed assistant, not a licensed buyer's agent or listing agent. So these are the top 3 reasons. Don't give it away. Don't give away your money, right? That's the number 1 goal here. Keep the money that we're getting. So the top 3 reasons for you to not hire an assistant right now, you need systems in place. You have to have something that's predictably generating lots of revenue for you. So you have so many appointments, you literally say, my lockbox only works till 8 o'clock at night and I cannot show anymore. I've got to get somebody else to do this. You have to have systems that will predictably do that. And again, that analogy is you open up a big factory, but the machines haven't come in yet. Why do you want people working at your factory? No, you can't start at the factory until next month when our machines show up and we have them all installed so that you can press them and move them down the assembly line. The same is exactly, that's how it works in real estate as well. Of course, Honey's trying to jump in. She wants to be famous in here too. So here, teach him something. Because you won't leave me alone when I'm doing this is a live meeting right now. There's no snack. This is not a snack. It never fails. So that's Honey, by the way. So you wouldn't have a factory where you just have 15 people stand around and say, oh, what do you want to do today? What are you going to do today? I don't know. Maybe we'll have a meeting together. You need the systems in place before you have the people to run them. Again, you can do a lot more yourself, and I don't want you giving away your money. So if you go to, if you can read this, if you go to getfastclosings.com, you're going to see about a 40-minute training on totally free marketing you can do to fix number 1. This is what you need to hire, not this. You need to hire systems in your business. You know what you need? A better machine, not people to run a lack of machines. You need a better machine in order for you to make money with what you're doing. Go to getfastclosings.com only if you have about 40 minutes available to really work on your business. Get some note paper, have your camera phone ready, take some pictures so you can get your business going in the right direction. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Don't give away all your damn money. Stop thinking that you're so busy you need to hire someone and then you're doing paperwork while they're making half of a commission. Bad idea. I'm Greg Luther. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Again, get more details at getfastclosings.com. Have a profitable week. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.